Discover the beauty of life. This digital camera binocular telescope combines the functions of the camera and the binocular. You can use to watch and enjoy the wonderful view far away, and record it by taking sharp pictures of it or recording videos. Photographed function, photo format, JPEG 4 shooting mode single shooot /2 seconds timing /5 seconds timing /10 seconds timing 5 optional resolution -5 2592x1944 /3 2048x1536 /2 1920x1080 /1.3 1280x960 /VGA 640x480 photo quality and sharpness high quality /standard /economic white balance automatic /sunlight /cloudy /tungsten lamp /fluorescent lamp color /black and white Sephia ISO Automatic /100 /200 /400 Vedio mode, video format, AVI5 optional. Resolution -1080HD, 1920x1080, /1080p, 1440x1080, /720p, 1280x720, WVGA, 848x480, /VGA, 640x480. Specifications. Binocular Specification. 12x32 magnification, 12x LCD display, 2 LTPS 4, 3 USB interface, 2.0 power supply, built-in Li-ion battery exposure 2.0 /5/3 /4/3 /1.0 /2/3 /1/3 0 /1/3 -2/3 -1.0 -4/3 -5/3 System requirements. Operating system, Microsoft Windows 2000 /XP /Vista x86 Central Processing Unit, above Intel PIII667 or CPU of equal performance. Sound CardandDisplay Card. The sound card and the display card shall support DirectX 8 or higher version CD driver, 4 times of speed or above hard disk. Surplus space above 1G package includes 1 * telescope 1 * USB cable 1 * user manual 1 * telescope strap. Note: the power must be power off when installing or taking out the micro SD card. We recommend the use of Class 4 or above cards with the minimum 4 GB storage space. Maximum is 32 GB. The product includes a 60 days money back and 12-month warranty. 12x magnification and 32mm lens. The digital binoculars with 32mm lens and 12x magnification allow you to take the view from 100 away. It's the best choice for outdoor activities like bird watching, enjoying concerts and soccer matches. 2 high-resolution recording. This digital camera binocular telescope combines the functions of the camera and the binocular. This digital camera binoculars creatively combine an high-definition 2 LCD display and a 5-megapixel digital camera. You can use it to watch and enjoy the wonderful view far away, and record it by taking sharp pictures of it or recording videos. Amazing memory space at multiple play mode. This camera binoculars are compatible with Class 4, 6, 10 micro SD card with the highest capacity of 32 GB. You can see all your photos and video in your binoculars in different playing speed, or even connect it to the computer via USB cable to transmit data and to preserve your precious memory. Long-lasting battery. The premium built-in Li-ion battery provides reliable performance for view taking and picture/video storage and ensures long battery life. A T-slip disagad adjustable width, covered with the non-skid medical rubber, the camera offers perfect touch-pad feel with the soft yet endurable rubber coat. The width is adjustable for your comfort to get fantastic and quick focusing. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.